A closer look 1. 4. Listen and repeat, paying attention to the words in red in each pair of sentences.
1.
This is a solution, but not the only one.
Attempts to find a solution have failed. 2.
I'm fond of bananas.
Bananas are what I'm fond of. 3.
It's not trick and treat, it's trick or treat.
I need Peter and Mary, or John and Nick to help me. 4.
It's good, but expensive.
You shouldn't put but at the end of the sentence.
5. Read the mini talks and underline the short words, for, there, from, and, but, at, of, to, you think use the strong form. Then listen and check.
1.
Where are you from?
I'm from Hanoi. 2.
Can you come and check this paragraph for me?
It's okay, but you shouldn't use and at the beginning of the paragraph. 3.
Did you ask her to join our group?
I've asked her several times, but she doesn't want to. 4.
Is this letter from Peter?
No, the letter is to him, not from him.